Introducing the new HipStar Backpack. Its design has been approved, making it the perfect companion to the HipStar frame, or use it alone. Crafted with durable, waterproof polyester with a PVC coating, it's built to last, measuring 28 inches by 18 inches by 13 inches. This bag offers a generous volume of 105 liters. This bag offers a spacious upper compartment, a separate lower compartment, ideal for spare shoes or items you want to keep separate from clean clothes. Large side pockets with molly loops for extra storage. For horizontal carrying, simply grab the side handle and use it as a duffel. Need quick access? The front zipper lid makes it easy to reach items stored deep inside the bag. The large side pocket for even more storage options. The lower compartment has a separate zipper lid for added convenience. Hidden shoulder straps can be pulled out in seconds, transforming the bag into a backpack, perfect for carrying it to and from your HipStar trailer. The bag is custom designed to fit the HipStar trailer seamlessly. It secures to the cart at 5 points, at the cart's top handle and with 4 side straps, including 2 top buckles and 2 lower buckles for a snug fit.